The compact camera world has been strangely quiet lately, almost as if every major brand has been waiting for something to happen. Then suddenly, whispers about the Leica D-Lux 9 started surfacing across photography forums, insider communities, and camera rumor pages. First, most people ignored it. Leica rumors appear all the time, and many never turn into reality. But this time feels different. The details leaking out are unusually specific, and when all the pieces are put together, it paints a picture of a camera that could completely disrupt the premium compact market. For years, compact cameras have lived in a difficult space. Smartphones continue getting smarter, mirrorless cameras keep shrinking, and buyers have become harder to impress. Yet Leica has always managed to hold attention because their cameras are not only about specifications. They are about experience, design, and the emotional side of photography. The D-Lux series has always carried that reputation. But even loyal fans admitted the D-Lux 8 felt dated in several important ways. Good image quality alone is no longer enough in 2026. People expect speed, flexibility, and modern features without compromise. That is why these new leaks are creating so much excitement. The biggest rumor revolves around the sensor, and honestly, this is the detail that changes everything. Reports suggest Leica may finally move to a brand new 26-megapixel backside illuminated sensor. If true, this would be a massive leap over the older hardware found in previous D-Lux models. A BSI sensor is not just marketing jargon. It directly impacts low light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. In practical use, that means cleaner night shots, better shadow recovery, and far more confidence when shooting in difficult lighting conditions. Imagine walking through city streets after sunset, neon lights reflecting off wet pavement, or shooting inside dim cafes and crowded markets without worrying about ugly noise ruining the image. That is the kind of real-world improvement photographers care about. Compact cameras usually struggle once the light drops, but the rumored D-Lux 9 could potentially compete with cameras far larger than itself. Even more interesting is the speculation surrounding the processor. According to several leaks, Leica may be using a much newer image engine, something closer to what we see in significantly more expensive flagship cameras. That matters because processing power affects almost every part of the shooting experience. Faster autofocus, quicker image rendering, improved subject tracking, smoother video performance, and better battery efficiency all depend on it. If Leica truly pairs a modern processor with a stronger sensor, the D-Lux May 9th finally feel like a modern compact instead of a nostalgic luxury item. But image quality is only one part of the story. Autofocus has long been one of the biggest frustrations with the D-Lux line. The lens itself was respected, but users often complained about slow focus acquisition, especially when trying to capture movement or spontaneous moments. In street photography, hesitation means missed shots. The camera either reacts instantly or the moment disappears forever. That is why the autofocus rumors are perhaps even more important than the sensor leaks. Multiple sources claim Leica is developing a phase hybrid autofocus system with AI-assisted subject recognition. If accurate, this would represent one of the largest technological jumps the series has ever seen. The idea of a Leica compact that can instantly detect eyes, faces, and moving subjects feels almost surreal considering how conservative the brand has traditionally been. For photographers, this could completely transform the shooting experience. Instead of waiting for the camera to hunt for focus, the D-Lux 9 might finally feel fast and responsive enough to trust in unpredictable environments. Street shooters could lock onto passing subjects instantly. Travelers could capture fleeting expressions without delay. Even casual users would notice the difference immediately because the camera would simply feel smarter. The lens itself is also rumored to receive significant refinements. Leaks point toward Leica retaining the well-known 24 to 75mm Vario Summilux zoom range, but redesigning parts of the optical system to better match the new sensor. Sharper edge detail, stronger contrast, and improved response speed are all being mentioned. Leica already had an excellent reputation for lens rendering, but this suggests they are aiming for something more polished and technically refined. And then there is the physical design. One of the most criticized limitations of the D-Lux 8 was its fixed screen. It worked fine for straightforward photography, but modern creators expect flexibility. Shooting from low angles, overhead compositions, self-recording, or discrete street perspectives becomes far easier with an articulating display. According to the leaks, Leica may finally be introducing a fully movable screen into the D-Lux line. That sounds like a small upgrade until you think about how dramatically it changes usability. A tilting or fully articulating display makes a camera feel far more versatile. It encourages experimentation. It lets creators work faster and more naturally in crowded environments. For vloggers and travel filmmakers especially, it could make the D-Lux 9 dramatically more appealing than previous generations. The body itself is rumored to receive a serious upgrade too. Sources describe a magnesium alloy construction with a thinner, more premium feel, something closer in spirit to Leica's higher-end Q-series cameras. That matters because people buying Leica are not only paying for performance, they are paying for tactile satisfaction. They want a camera that feels intentional every time it is picked up. The leaks also suggest Leica is redesigning the button layout to reduce menu dependence and improve ergonomics. If true, that could be one of the smartest decisions they make. Modern cameras are overloaded with menus and complicated interfaces. Leica's strength has always been simplicity. The best Leica cameras disappear in your hands and let you focus purely on seeing and shooting. If the D-Lux 9 leans back into that philosophy while adding modern technology underneath, it could become incredibly appealing. Then comes the feature that truly has people debating non-stop: video. Historically, Leica compact cameras have not been viewed as serious filmmaking tools. They could record decent footage, but they were rarely competitive with dedicated hybrid cameras from Sony, Fujifilm, or Panasonic. The D-Lux 8, for example, felt limited with basic 4K recording and very few advanced video options. But the rumors surrounding the D-Lux 9 sound almost unbelievable. Several leaks claim the camera could support 5K recording, higher frame rate 4K modes, and potentially raw video capture. If that actually happens, Leica would be entering an entirely different category of camera performance. Raw video is usually associated with expensive cinema focus systems, not compact zoom cameras small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. For content creators, travel filmmakers, and documentary shooters, this changes the conversation completely. A compact Leica capable of professional-grade video would attract an audience far beyond traditional still photographers. Suddenly, the D-Lux 9 would not just compete with luxury compacts. It would challenge hybrid cameras that dominate creator workflows today. Of course, all of this comes with the unavoidable question of price. Rumors currently place the camera somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500. At first glance, that sounds expensive for a compact camera. But when you look at the rumored specifications together, the argument becomes more complicated. A premium sensor, advanced autofocus, refined optics, professional-level video features, improved build quality, and Leica branding all bundled into one highly portable system starts to look surprisingly competitive. That is what makes these leaks so fascinating. For once, people are not talking about Leica purely as a luxury brand. They are discussing the possibility that Leica might actually deliver strong value relative to the competition. And if even half these rumors turn out to be accurate, the D-Lux 9 could easily become one of the most talked about camera releases in years. Not just because it is a Leica, but because it would represent something the compact camera world desperately needs. A serious attempt to push the category forward again.